One point that you check before getting in the cab, all the oil levels, AdBlue, fuel, grease, suspension of the cab, check it, and then you get easy access into the cab. Easy to reach the air filter in the morning. You open up the cab, you see the filter, easy to clean. The air comes in from the top of the cab through the filter into the engine to keep the engine air clean. Hydraulic driven front wheel with a big front fork, turning radius 70 degrees left, 70 degrees right. This front fork indicates when steering also the steering angle for the back axles, giving a very short turning radius for this machine. Keeping the 550 horsepower engine cool, important is the radiator. The screen outside to take away the dust and the straw, easy accessible. Then we have the 4 coolers, the engine, intercooler, transmission, oil cooler, air conditioning, and then there's a reversible fan just to clean out the radiators when necessary. Important is capacity, so fast filling of the tank, a 10-inch suction arm with a super load pump for very fast filling. The suction arm can move all the way to the front, so we have a 180-degree reach. The manure comes through the pipe into the cutter cuts the manure, takes the stones out, and then it goes through the burger pump to the other side. The 9,000 liter burger pump, suction comes through a 10-inch pipe, loading it and unloading it through here. When loading through superload, this is the bypass valve that opens up and the manure goes before going through the pump into the tank. 5x5, 4 wheels mechanically driven on the back axle, giving the low fuel consumption per hour. 1050 tires, big tires, both axles steerable, giving a very short turning radius, adjustable air pressure with the tire inflation system to match the right pressure at the weight of the machine. Heavy duty linkage, designed to last, pushing hitch, lifting hitch. We can mount all the different injectors, very easy to stabilize, heavy top linkage, multi-faster hydraulic coupling with load sensing, a 24-pole connector to connect all the electrical functions of the injector, and an easy, accessible and connectable 6-inch pipe for the manure hose to the injector. Loading almost 26 cubic, very high capacity machine, polyester tank, lightweight, fully integrated pipes and baffles. Baffles make sure that the manure doesn't swap when running over the field. The loading screen, all the information you need to see. You see the RPMs, you see the pressures of the pump, you see which valves are open. So full information that you need during the loading of the machine. Loading the machine with the suction arm, you switch to load. You bring the suction arm outside, move it out to the point where you want to load, with the possibility to control the arm very easily from the cab. And then after loaded, you can store the arm on the front side of the machine. So you can leave the arm on the front when driving on the field, so you're faster in loading the next load. Driver comfort, very important to drive the machine. Easy accessible, good view. We control the machine on the joystick and on the buttons on the side. You see the screen with all the information needed, very easy to adjust. Yeah, you see the big button and the small button, but you don't need to touch the touchscreen when driving in the field. Everything's controlled by one button on the joystick.